Does your skin feel dry, flaky, and irritated? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into the best natural remedies to heal and hydrate your skin, all with ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's get that healthy, glowing skin back naturally. Before we jump into the remedies, let's talk about why your skin gets dry in the first place. Cold weather, harsh soaps, dehydration, and even stress can strip your skin of its natural moisture. But the good news, nature has given us powerful ingredients to restore and protect our skin barrier. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that deeply nourish your skin. Apply a thin layer before bed and wake up with baby soft skin. 2. Aloe vera, nature's soothing gel. Aloe vera hydrates, soothes irritation, and promotes healing. Apply a fresh layer to your skin and let it absorb for 15–20 minutes before rinsing. 3. Honey, the natural humectant. Show honey being drizzled onto a spoon. Honey locks in moisture and has antibacterial properties. Apply a thin layer, leave it for 10 minutes, and rinse for an instant hydration boost. 4. Avocado mask, rich in omega fatty acids. Show mashed avocado being applied like a face mask. Avocado is full of healthy fats that deeply nourish your skin. Mash one up, mix it with honey, and apply for a 15-minute skin treat. 5. Oatmeal soak, soothing and anti-inflammatory. Show a bowl of oatmeal being added to a warm bath. If your skin is extra sensitive, an oatmeal bath is your best friend. It calms irritation, relieves itchiness, and leaves your skin feeling soft. These remedies are amazing, but don't forget the basics. Stay hydrated, use sunscreen daily, and keep a humidifier in your room to maintain moisture levels in the air. Which of these natural remedies are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare tips. See you in the next one.